How to download and install Tally. How to activate or surrender Tally license. I'm going to cover all these topics step by step. You need to stay with me and watch the full video. Hello friends, this is Amitabh. Welcome back to my channel Tutorials Hub Tally. So without wasting any time, let's start learning. First of all, let's talk about how to download and install Tally.erp9. First of all, you need to open your browser and type tallysolutions.com in the address bar. Hit the enter button. Click the download option on the right side. Now you will see two more options. One is install and another is download. You will select the download option. Download process started. It will not take much time. Now click on the setup file and wait for the installer to show up. Here you see our default installation path is mentioned, which you can change also. Already I have created two folders. One is installation and another is data. I will now paste my created path in the respective field and hit the install option. It will take some time to complete installation. After completion, Tally will open automatically. It's a very easy process. Tally installation has been completed. Wait for the Tally gateway to show up. Here you go. That's all folks. Next is how to activate license of Tally.erp9. First you need to open Tally. Then you will see a licensing operations list where you have to select the activate your license option. You need to restart your Tally in administrative mode. Now press enter button. Tally will now ask you to put your serial number, activation key and administrator email ID which you will have after you purchase Tally. I have my own serial number, activation key and administrative email ID. I will copy from my mail and paste over here. After putting all these, press the enter button. The unlock key will be sent to your administrative email ID. It will take some time. As I have already activated my license previously, Tally will not allow me to activate freshly, but I can reactivate my license. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your license. Lastly, how to surrender Tally.erp9 license. Before starting, you need to know about single user and multi-user. Single user means you can run Tally only in one system, and with multi-user, you can run Tally in more than one system. If you have a single user license and you want to use the license in the multiple system, it's not possible at all. What to do for that? You have to surrender the license from your existing system first, then you can reactivate the same into another system. How to do this? I will show you. First of all, open your Tally application. Here you will find Control Center option at the top bar menu. Click on it. You will need to log in as Tally.net user. Then you will find a license management option. After that, you can change the status from active to surrender. I have already surrendered my license, that's why it's showing surrender. The same process is applicable in case of reactivation. That's it, guys. I've covered three topics, that is how to download and install Tally.erp9, how to activate license of Tally.erp9, and how to surrender Tally license. These are all our basic steps which I have shown. Please try to follow these steps and try it out. Thank you. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.